Hi guys, let us see the post-market analysis of today's USD INR. This is the June's futures chart. So as you can see, these are the levels I had marked yesterday before the market began today. That was based on the previous days, that is yesterday's EOD analysis. And I marked my levels using volume profile. The day began with the today with the 9 o'clock candle. That is, yeah, you can see this is 24th of June, and the day began with this pin bar right exactly at the support that we had marked. Now these zones that you can see, the two lines that I've marked, these are the no trade zones. I call these the no trade zones. This is the 50 EMA that I always plot on my charts. This is obviously the volume chart, and this is the RSI. See, this graph that you see on the right hand side of the page is the volume profile. The day began today, and exactly at the no-go zone or the no trade zone, price started taking resistance, and then price reversed, again took support. This was again a no trade zone. From there price bounced, took resistance again. As you can see, the entire day in this zone, the level of 74.2843 and between 74.2055, these were the two levels in which price kept bouncing, and it finally broke out at 3:15 p.m. But there was an immediate support again, and exactly at that support price made another pin bar, and it reversed, and at the end of the day took resistance at the same level that we had marked at 74.2182, and the day closed at that level itself. So this is the way I mark my levels on the chart. So now as you can see, these levels don't mean much as of tomorrow. We will be marking this for 25th of June, you can see here, and let's take a look at the levels that are important for the trade tomorrow. Now this level will stay as it is because this level has not been touched at all today. This was the level that I had marked on a previous day. Level that you can see here is 74.3089 and or 81 I should say, and the next zone is at 74.3002. So you can mark these levels on your chart also, these two, and let us check for the next levels here. I shall mark these levels. So these are the most important levels on the chart for tomorrow. The levels being 74.2408 and 74.2353. Yeah. Okay. Now this was another zone in which the volume had spiked, right? So you see a high value node here, and then there is one node here that had spiked. Let us put a level here as well, and let us draw another level at this point. Yes, and then let us mark the day low zone here, right? So these will be the levels as for tomorrow's trade. You can mark these levels out. Okay, so the levels for tomorrow are 74.2229 and 74.2175, that will mark this level, and 74.1876 and 74.1815, and the day's support would be 74.1585 and 74.1525. So this area will be marked as an important level. If price comes to this level tomorrow, we will see if it breaks down or it takes a reversal. So the way to trade this is, if you see price going back to the level of 74.3002 and between 74.3081, that is these two levels, and if it makes a bearish candle here, then we can take a short trade depending on where 50 EMA is. The way I use 50 EMA is I use it as a reference point. I usually avoid taking short trades above 50 EMA, and I usually avoid going long below 50 EMA. But if price opens anywhere between these zones, right, so the levels would be between the first level will be between 74.2048 and 74.2175, that is these two. And if there's a gap down from here, and if it opens between these two levels, that is 74.1815 and 74.1585, I would avoid taking trades here until either 74.1525, that is this level, is broken, or the level of 74.1876, this, which is this level, is broken. So then if this level is broken, I can take a long trade and take profit again at around 74.2175, depending on what my risk to reward is. I usually go for at least 1:1.5, if not 1:2, but it all depends on the price action at that particular zone. Yes, so this is the EOD analysis and levels for you. Please do leave a comment in the comment box below as to how you found these levels. I shall be posting EOD videos and post market analysis videos every day. Please do like, share and subscribe. It really helps me boost my morale, and I will keep coming up with new content in future. Thank you.